Now, the next line you can see is just a blank line. And you may say, alright, do you need this blank line? Do you not need it? Blank lines and spaces, you can have a million of them if you want, or you can have none of them, just like that. All blank lines do in programming is they make the program easier to read. Just with a book or a magazine or a newspaper, sometimes you want blank lines between your code. Sometimes you just want your code right under each other. It's personal preference. People, whatever you want. Blank lines just make it easier to read, so whatever is easier for you, add as many lines or as less lines as you want. And that brings me to another point. These tabs, too, see this is kind of tabbed out or tabbed in. It's the same thing. Some people tab things in, make it easier to read. This program is just going to run just fine if it's just like that. But, people just like to line certain things up. So you'll see later on once we get coding that tabs and spaces and blank lines, they don't really mean anything significant. They just make the program easier to read. So that being